नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 7 मार्च को पार्क टाइम कोलकाता में रखा गया। इस मीटिंग में उपस्थित रहे फाउंडर सतीश लखोटिया, कमल लखोटिया, प्रेसिडेंट ब्रिजमोहन मुंद्रा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट राजीव सेकड़ी, सेक्रेटरी स्वीटी मंत्री, ट्रेजरर आदित्य कसेरा, ज्वाइंट ट्रेजरर किमी शारदा के साथ मेंबर्स एंड विजिटर्स। साथ ही आपको बता दें कि इस मीटिंग के बाद वुमेंस डे के सेलिब्रेशन पर सभी वुमेन्स को फेलिसिटेट भी किया गया। गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर में आई हुई थी बीके पद्मा जी। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।
Welcome to ABCU's joint chapter meeting, Kolkata and India's first group of Alliance Business Connect. Thank you for participating in today's Indian Business News. Before we begin, just a few special announcements. Be ready with your weekly, fortnightly 30 seconds presentation script. My name is Brejmol Mundra, and as President, my role is to chair the meeting, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by ABC, which will help us to maximize our business.
I am Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee till March 2024. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. We have the following coordinators: chapter mentor Mr. Satish Lakhotia ji. Good evening. Business driver Mayur Shah ji. Joint treasurer Kimi Sarda. Chapter Growth Coordinator Gyanvi Daga, Gaurav Mittal and Atish Makaria. Attendance Coordinator Aditya Kasera.
Good evening, everyone.
Food and Beverage Coordinator Sweety Mantri.
Good evening, everyone.
Education Coordinator Mr. Vikram Agarwal.
Good evening, ABC.
Teacher Presentation Coordinator Gyanvi Daga. Referral Value and Dispute Resolution Coordinator KD Singh.
Good evening, everyone. Let's have some noise, please. Myself, Sweety Mantri, and I'm secretary of our chapter. Now I'm going to give a brief detail and rules of each member has to follow in ABC 2024. Members should give reason for being absent. One can't have more than 3 absence in a month, and no continuous 2 absent. In case of more than 3 absent in a quarter, his or her category will be made open, and subsequently he or she will be removed from the chapter. In case of absence due to some emergency, members should send their substitute. Members must bring at least 2 visitors in each quarter for a growth of our chapter. Dress code should be strictly followed and should be formal only.
Aditya Kasera, chapter treasurer cum member ho. My role is to manage finance of the chapter. I am hereby announcing the different awards and recognition schemes for the quarter ending March 2024. For every 1-to-1, 5 points. For every 1 referral, 5 points. For every 1 visitor, 10 points. For every 1 business close, 10 points. For 1 corporate meeting, 50 points. For 1 new member induction, 50 points. For 1 1-to-1 conclave, 100 points. For 1 KYM, 100 points.
A couple of people, Sudha Agarwal ji, 1200, Agarwal ji, 4000, Mundra ji, 3800, Ajay ji, 900, Gaurav ji, 1400, Vijay Raja, 600, Atish Makaria ji, 8000, and Vishnu Agarwal ji, 1800. Thank you so much.
There is a saying which goes, if you define the problem correctly, you almost have the solution. Exactly this is what we do. Even Microsoft ERP, a business central. So effectively you have an ample time in daily monitoring your business challenges and invest more time in doing business, networking and more business with better control.
I, Dr. Momo Bhattacharya from Medicare Plus, having facility of blood sample collection across Kolkata.
East 1 Kolkata Friends and Visitors. Myself, Shamal Kumar Pali. My firm, Manav Shahjoti. My business, complete HR solution provider. My journey more than 35 years and I have handled more than 500 clients and 15,000 employees in timely delivery.
From Reachment. I'm into social media marketing, like services are social media marketing, paid advertisements, website design, mobile marketing. For the ask is if anyone want digital marketing here or outside this place, he or she can contact me.
जीतूंगा मैं खुद से वादा करो, जितना सोचते हो उससे ज्यादा कोशिश करो। संध्या बंदन एवं अभिनंदन एबीसी। मैं अनुराग तिवारी, मेरी कंपनी गणपति डेकोर, कैटेगरी फर्निशिंग एंड डेकोर। तारीख पर तारीख मिलती रही माय लॉर्ड। नहीं मिला तो फर्निशिंग का कंप्लीट सोल्यूशन, मिली है तो सिर्फ एक तारीख। लोगों की प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अपना काम छोड़कर आते हैं और ले जाते हैं सिर्फ एक तारीख। दिनों, हफ्तों, महीनों चक्कर काटते रहते हैं दुकानों के पर और अपने घर, ऑफिस का फर्निशिंग कराएं चकाचक। मूड बचेगा। साइनिंग ऑफ अनुराग तिवारी, गणपति डेकोर। थैंक यू।
Dear friends, myself Archana Patodia from Ayushi Collection. Ayushi Collection is your jewelry partner who adds sparkle to your beauty with our beautiful and elegant collection of jewelries. I deal with all types of imitation jewelries and also provide stocks to my reseller friends. Please connect me with boutique owners and your family and friends.
Happy Women's Day to all beautiful ladies. I am Shanti Parnani from Shubham Creatives. My business is Truzo packing and decorating gift items.
To retailers and retail chains in suburbs of West Bengal, Odisha and Northeast India. You can connect me to the purchase head of retail chains like Bazaar Kolkata and I can connect you to Indian Coast Guard. Thank you.
I am Meenu Tulsian, practicing company secretary with 13 years of experience. Meenu Tulsian and Company is a one-stop solution for all kinds of business and corporation and their compliance services.
Neha Jaiswal, substituting my father Rakesh Jaiswal. Today I am thrilled to share our vision for unique residential experience nestled near the Siringnagar River. For short-term stays, providing options like homestay and hotels, and for long-term, we have villas.
Representing my company, Vanessam Technologies. We are an emerging technology company and we are dealing in services like virtual reality walkthrough, which is compatible for all the business owner, factories owner, real estate, interior designer.
This is Richa Musati, an interior designer. Along with designs, I always also take up full turnkey work. No amount of work is small for us. And one-to-one done with Anirudh and business received from him.
First of all, happy International Women's Day to all the women present over here. I am Anirudh Agarwal, representing my firm Excel Devcon Private Limited, and we have all types and varieties of tile, marble, granite, and sanitary ware.
Neha Agarwal, a fashion designer of clothes for the Almighty God. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of ABC Group, where I derive knowledge and interact with others about their business. For the last 15 years, I have been involved in designing clothes for the idols such as big temples as Mira Mandir, ISKCON, Chennai. I have a page on Facebook. Done KYN, Ritu Phalam, done business with them. Neeraj Thakurji, 2500, ABC Socks, Kush Agarwal, 500. And business looking for big temples and houses.
Myself, Advocate KD Singh from KD and Company. We deal into any type of the legal matter and legal cases of property and property registration, gift deed, will, etc.
Evening ABC, planning a retirement is as important as planning a career. Tata AIA has beautiful plans that help you start planning for retirement from 45 and it continues till 85 years. Every space has a story. Let us be your storyteller. I am Shalini Garg, interior designer. We do both residential and commercial projects. Looking forward meeting you all.
भुलाकर दर भुलाकर रिश्तों में बंद थी दुनिया सारी, हर पग को रोशन करने वाली शक्ति है वो संसार की एक नारी। Hiravat@ramaeshe.com and district I affiliate one care voted by Vijay.
Good evening all. Happy Shivratri to all in advance. I am Manish Dhanuka, having the business of dairy products, telecom and authorized service center of Nokia, Realme, Noise, JBL and Google. I have done 1-to-1 with Bridge and Mayur.
I am Pramod Kedia. I am into the advertising and signage standing manufacturing.
Mayur Shah. I am in the business of electricals and real estate consultancy. And our main clients are builders, interior designers, architects. I've had 7 1-to-1s, and I look forward to good business from all of you.
Sushil Agarwal, we are the manufacturer of tea, and we can help the retail and wholesale business. We also purchase bearings, belts. Anybody if wants to supply us, they can contact us.
We representing IUK Solutions. We are a one-stop solution provider for computers, networking, security surveillance like CCTV.
मेरा नाम दिलीप कुमार शर्मा है। मैं भारतीय जीवन बीमा से जुड़ा हूँ।
Bookings for Holi are open. Kindly connect with me. I am Meena Doshi, singer for all occasions. Are you all tired of uncertainties in your life? Doing this last 8 years, managing a risk of all walks of life, man to machine, employer to employee, घर से लेकर फैक्ट्री तक, and we deal it in our unique way by our experienced team and proactive actions.
Gaurav Mittal, representing my company iSteels.
Saket Gupta, your mobile partner, owner of NBT Mobile India. Do connect me for any brand of mobile phone purchase.
Deep Shaw, my company name is Deep Consultancy, specialist in license consultancy. Surendra Bhuya, my company name is Defense Private Limited.
Good evening. Good evening. Myself Santosh Lautu, representing my company Shares Recovery. We have our office at Kailas Building.
कल शिवरात्रि है, फिर भी सभी को होली की शुभकामनाएं। कारण एक ही है कि शिवरात्रि के लिए स्पेशल टी शर्ट्स अब स्टॉक में नहीं है, बट आप होली कस्टमाइज टी शर्ट्स के लिए मेरे से 1-to-1 कर सकते हैं। मैं रमेश मुंदड़ा, आपको कस्टमाइज टी शर्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर।
CA Neeraj Kejriwal, I am practicing chartered accountant.
Myself Jitendra Kumar Botra from Harmony Global.
From Overseas Guardians. It is the platform that guides students throughout enrolling in an international educational institution.
जब शॉपिंग पोद्दार कैटेगरी जनरल इंश्योरेंस एसोसिएटेड विद दिस प्रोफेशन सिंस लास्ट 35 इयर्स। मेडिक्लेम पॉलिसी आप सबके पास होगी, लेकिन अभी 40 पेजेस की मेडिक्लेम पॉलिसी हो गई जिसको शायद आप लोगों ने पढ़ा नहीं होगा। और जब क्लेम होता है तो मालूम पड़ता है कि कुछ चीज़ें कवर नहीं थी, उसके लिए क्लेम में डिडक्शन हो गया है। तो मुझसे 1-to-1 कीजिए और अपनी नीड के हिसाब से पॉलिसी कराएंगे। थैंक यू।
To all the beautiful ladies here under the brand name Happy Sense, which is a 100% eggless bakery. Good honor of Aram Bazaar dealing with Rajasthani and Gujarati snacks.
Shaki Halda, I am business of Indian gifts, products and gadgets and Howrah. Thank you.
I am Pasis Kumar Sarda, director of Balaji Nivesh Private Limited.
Hello, welcome.
हमारे पास होली के अच्छे डील हैं, स्पेशली ऑल मेजर 4 and 5 star. From Hindu Travels.
Myself Sajal Agarwal, your Vastu advisor, and on that.
Myself Vikram Agarwal, representing my company PSA. But we have paused. Friends, now I have applied for a broking license for which I was working very hard. So now the company name is Pride Insurance Broker Private Limited. We got the NOC from IRDA and all the due diligence are in process. So very soon we will launch our online portal for Pride Insurance Broker Private Limited. So previously our tagline was कि जिसे दुनिया ने ठुकराया उसे PSF ने अपनाया. And now our tagline is we are always there with you. So for any kind of insurance help, for claims or any kind of product knowledge, you do come to us.
मारुति हो या फरारी, चले आए द्वार हमारी, ना रहेगा दाग। From cars, your multi-car service center.
Manish Chamadia, category share and stock market. We deal in future options type of related to stock exchanges.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Vivek Surana. First of all, wishing everybody a very happy Mahashivratri for tomorrow.
Ritika Tatia, by profession, I am a chartered accountant and your subsidy consultant.
To wish a very happy Women's Day to
Wish you a very happy Women's Day. Myself Benish Bhatt from Benish Circle Catering. We provide food catering service.
फ्लोएंसी इंटीरियर से और मैं आपके फ्लैट को घर बनाने में मदद करता हूँ।
Myself Manoj Chandra from Right One.
मैं माँ का स्वरूप हूँ, मैं शंकर भगवान की गौरी हूँ, मैं काली हूँ और दुर्गा का स्वरूप भी हूँ, मैं कृष्ण की प्यारी किशोरी भी हूँ और अयोध्या में बसे श्री राम की सीता भी हूँ, पर बिना वस्त्र के मैं एकदम अधूरी हूँ। तो आप भी अपनी पत्नी को के फैशन के डिजाइनर ड्रेस से सुंदर वस्त्र पहना के उसको पूरा कीजिए।
Substituting on behalf of Ms. Megha Agarwal under the category of graphics and digital marketing.
Our company name is the Community Media, which
Sambhamitra Ghoshal. By profession, I'm a model, actor, producer of film.
They are visitors. नारी ही शक्ति है नर की, नारी ही है शोभा घर की, जो उसे उचित सम्मान मिले, घर में खुशियों के फूल खिले, जो रखती है सबका ख्याल, आइए हम भी रखें उसका ख्याल। इस महिला दिवस पर महिला सशक्तिकरण हेतु अपनी घर की लक्ष्मी को बचत एवं बीमा सुरक्षा प्रदान करें। आइए LIC आधारशिला अपनाएं। यह योजना केवल महिलाओं के लिए मात्र 21 रुपये दैनिक बचत पर उपलब्ध है। जिन महिलाओं के पास आधार कार्ड है वे इस प्लान को ले सकते हैं।
Members, I Rajiv Sikri, Vastu and Feng Shui consultant, who have given talks on TV apart from delivering lectures on my subject. I have been in this field from the last 21 years, having my showroom Feng Shui Towers on AJC Bose Road. I do write articles for Indian largest property portal 99acres.com and also for some reputed magazines and newspapers, and advise renowned personalities from Tollywood, fashion world and industry.
Myself Kimi Sarda from the house of Arya Twins. हर औरत की खूबसूरती को बढ़ाए गहने, हर औरत की खूबसूरती को बढ़ाए गहने, मेरी पहचान बनाए गहने. So thank you slip to Rich Bhaiya, business given to Sweetie Mantri and KYM attendant, and my showroom is at Phool Bagan Kapurgachi. Do visit us. Thank you.
Good evening. Myself Sweetie Mantri, I am the CEO of JC Bakery. It's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings. And today, as we are celebrating Women's Day, I would request everyone to acknowledge one person over here who has really worked selfless for everything what we have here right now. That is Satish sir for sure. Thank you so much for mentoring us so well. Raj Bhaiya, for being always there for us. It's not that today I would like to talk about myself, but yeah, I would like to recognize Sachin Bhaiya. He has been a great support to me. Last week we have been sitting 3 hours, still forgot to punch a 1-to-1. So much, the things has really worked in a very good way for me. Thank you so much.
Happy International Women's Day to all our women friends over here. Myself, Birmon Mundra from Sagun Corporate Consultant Private Limited. We are into loan syndication for like 25 years, catering for all type of loans, be it education loan, be it home loan, lab, cap, whatever you talk, we are going to provide you with the loans. My activity includes 7 1-to-1, 12 referrals, business given, Devendra Bhajoria 89,000, Kimi Sarda 11,000, Girish Sarawgi 3,800, Pramod Kedia 4,300, business received, thank you Ashish Sarda 60 lakhs.
Members and visitors,
Good evening.
my best wishes to all the women present here. Happy International Women's Day in advance. Myself Satish Lakotia from Larika Estates Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. Thank you.
Happy Women's Day to all the women out here. I am Joseph Gomes. I have more than 20 years of experience in IT operations, network, infrastructure, solutions.
मैं नितिशा, I am coming as a handwriting analysis. हैंडराइटिंग एक ऐसी बात है जो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि अच्छा लिखा है तो अच्छी है, नहीं लिखा है तो नहीं अच्छी है, but it's not like that. What is going on your brain, it will come in your writing.
Shrishti Kyal and I deal in imitation jewelry.
Representing my forefathers' business of plywood and laminates by the name of Ramprasad and Sons. This is Sumit Saboo representing my company Saboo Builders. With my experience of last 15 years, I expertise in getting people best real estate deals.
I am Rajlakshmi Shah. I am a management consultant by profession into branding, and I have taken up many leading brands internationally.
Audible, I'm audible. Yes. So I'd like to thank Mr. Rajiv Sikri to introduce me to this wonderful platform. The company called Red Hill, we're headquartered in Singapore. Time limit. Each one of you has an inspiring story to tell. You're such a talented bunch. So what I do is advise you and ensure that I come up with the right strategy to create visibility, to roll out a compelling story.
My name
is Pankaj Singh. I am an MBA graduate. I have got 18 years of experience in service industry.
From Accurate Interiors.
Nandini. I am a fashion designer and I'm
help of every interior designer. I am an artist making customized paintings on walls for
Myself Manas Agrawal. I have been invited by Anil Agrawal. Thank you for inviting me here. By profession, I am an advocate and I practice in the field of justice.
So we identify first making our product services also. It's not just claim services, but where do we get your risk involved with your asset risk involved?
मेरा लाइन तो वैसे कि भी चुरा लिया हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है हमारे साथ में. Anyway, I would like to thank. हम हमेशा जनरली थैंक यू बोलते हैं या तो अपने फादर को because he is a source of energy and since we have taken birth we have seen a male person who is most close and we are most close to because they raise us as a princess. Nextly, अगर कोई भाई होता है तो definitely वो बड़ा important हो जाता है. And I have met almost lot of people. मतलब एक बहुत लोअर नीचे जो एक लेबर क्लास का आदमी होता है वहाँ से लेके बड़े बड़े मैनेजर्स तक. बट बहुत अच्छा लगता है when we are around such men and ये confidence तुमको आता है कि yes you are safe, you are sound, work the way you want. and जब पीछे से एक बैकिंग मिलती है ना कोई रिलेशन नहीं होता कुछ नहीं होता है. Still when we get a backing that makes us complete. Thank you so much each and every gentleman out here for giving us a pleasure and being protected. We are going to celebrate the Women's Day. By facilitating our woman entrepreneur and also a woman visitor. Today we are having a very special guest, Sister D.K. Padmani. She has also participated in various national and international conferences on human development and has been invited to give talk shows on radios and has made presentations in many private and public sectors, educational and social organizations. Being a meritorious student right from the beginning, she did BA Honours with Psychology and she is a psychologist.
Thankful to Ms. Mohanji, President ABC Connect, for inviting me to say something about women empowerment. My introduction is this. I am Kamal Lakhotia, friend of all. This is the reason of my success. I believe in friendship, I believe in love, so that gives me shanti, happiness and energy. This is the reason. So, thank you all. I'll take not much time, but I never deliver a speech. I share my experience because I never prepare myself before what I will say, I will quote this, I will quote that. No, but I share my experience. Friends, in the morning, when Satishji told me that you have to speak about women empowerment, I wrote something. But finally, I felt that I will share my experience. And Munraji asked the question, what is woman inclusion? Woman, I asked you a question. इतने लोग बैठे हुए हैं, क्या कोई वुमन इंक्लूजन के बिना है? नहीं, आपका जन्म ही एक औरत से हुआ है, तो इंक्लूजन तो वहीं से शुरू हो गया. डिक्शनरी मीनिंग है इंक्लूजन का समावेश. तो ये है वुमन एम्पावरमेंट. इस सृष्टि का जन्म हुआ है. A lady has given birth to all human beings. This is woman inclusion. Second, my second question is this: Who is your inspiration? कौन है आपकी इंस्पिरेशन?
Mother.
Either your mother,
Mother. Sister.
father. Your mother is your inspiration.
grandmother.
Or grandmother, or sister, or you are earning for whom? Oh, they are your inspiration, but we are sitting in ABC, and who is the reason of your earning? Your wife and your children. Because you have promised to them that you are going to look after them. So, it's very big thing for your life also. तो हुई जो वो बात जो जेन्युइन है, पर मैं आप सबसे पूछती हूँ, ऐसा कौन सा वक्त है जब वुमन पावर में नहीं थी? आप पुराने जमाने में चले जाइए, आजकल राम जी की बहुत चर्चा हो रही है, क्या राम जी के समय में औरतें पावर में नहीं थी? बिल्कुल थी। हर राजा दशरथ के साथ में के कई रथ पे बैठी हुई थी, रथ का चक्का जब गिर गया तो उस कई ने अपनी अंगुली दे दी रथ को चलाने के लिए। तो इससे ज्यादा आपको मैं क्या बता सकती हूँ? राम जी गए वनवास में, सीता जी ने डिटर्मिनेशन माइंड की बात बता रही हूँ, शी सेड आई विल गो। ये है वुमन एम्पावरमेंट। वो बिल्कुल डरी नहीं, उन्होंने पूरी जितनी राजाई थी उसका त्याग किया और चली गई। नेगेटिव एनर्जी में भी वुमन आपको पावर लगती है, बट वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट नेगेटिव एनर्जी बिकॉज इससे संसार का कोई भला होने वाला नहीं है। अभी कितनी चीज देखिए, उस समय भी था आपने, हम पहले सतीव की बात कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद आएंगे। जैसे कि राम की जो राम सीता जी थी, उनके साथ में बैठी हुई थी जितनी सेवा करने वाली वो भी औरतें थी, वो सीता जी की सेवा करती थी और सीता जी को वो सेव भी करती थी। ये सब आपने पढ़ा है ना? तो वुमन एम्पावरमेंट इज एवरीवेयर। इससे ज्यादा आपको हम क्या जब बोले? इसके अलावा आज आप देखिए इंदिरा गांधी को एक एजुकेशन थी। जब वो जवाहरलाल नेहरू से मिलने के लिए जेल में गई थी, उस समय जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने कहा था कि तुम आम औरतों की तरह किचन और बच्चे पैदा करने के लिए नहीं बनी हो, तुमको कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव करना है। और उन्होंने अपनी दिशा, जीवन की दिशा उस और मोड़ दी। ये जो मैं बोल देती हूँ मोड़ है, ये जो मोड़ है ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। एक समय आता है कि आप किस मोड़ पे जा रहे हैं। तो इंदिरा गांधी ने अपना जीवन देश की दिशा पे मोड़ दिया। वुमन एम्पावरमेंट की कितनी बार वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनी। अब बाकी बातों को छोड़ दीजिए, उनकी एनर्जी की बात कीजिए। बाकी बातें छोड़ दीजिए कि क्या पॉलिटिक्स में भी तो एनर्जी लगती है। देन वी कम टू टुडेज वुमन। टुडेज at that time was not so much they were equipped with facilities. फैसिलिटी नहीं थी, पर आज की लेडी को बहुत फैसिलिटी। आज आप मुझे बताइए, सबसे बड़ी फैसिलिटी है कि एवरीथिंग इज इजी, लाइफ इज इजी, किचन इज इजी, ड्रेसिंग इज इजी एंड फूड इज इजी। कैसे? जोमेटो, ब्लिंकिट सब आ गए। अब कि आपको उतना हाथ से काम करना नहीं पड़ता है। यू आर सेविंग योर एनर्जी। अब उस एनर्जी को हम क्या करें? तो वी लेडीज, whoever is working, they are using their energy and learning much more than what they can learn in the four diwals, under four diwals. Is it right?
Absolutely.
अब बहुत सारी औरतें समझ सकती हैं कि वो कहाँ तक पहुँची है, वो कितनी पावरफुल बनी है, ये क्वेश्चन है। तो पावरफुल किसको कहते हैं? आप किसको कहते हैं? आप अगर 2 सीढ़ी की जगह 4 सीढ़ी चढ़ गए, 4 की जगह 10 चढ़ गए, और एक दिन फाइनली आप चढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं और डेस्टिनेशन में पहुंच गए। 2 से 4 आना भी अपने आप को पावरफुल बनाना है। ये वुमन एम्पावरमेंट। और मैं कहूँगी कि वुमन इतनी पावरफुल क्यों है? क्योंकि बेसिकली they are worried about their prestige, their identity. They will never do any work which hamper their identity. Like she told कि इनकी दुकान में जाओ, आपके इरादे नहीं है कुछ भी लेने की, फिर भी इनकी ऑनेस्टी ऐसी है कि आपको वो चीज़ पकड़ा देगी जो आप महंगे बाजार में खरीदने वाले थे और यहाँ रिजनेबल मिल गए हैं। तो दिस इज अ वे ऑफ वर्किंग। फ्रेंड्स, 48 years of my life, I have 4 kids and I looked after them. I looked after my house. I'm very efficient kitchen manager. I can cook also. Up to 48 years I never worked, but after 40 years I started working, and my policy was the same she is doing today. I never cheat any of the customers. I never had a desire to earn, but I earned. बहुत बड़ी बात मैं कहने जा रही हूँ। I have never desired to make maximum profit, but I made profit. मेरा प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करने का इरादा नहीं था, लेकिन मैंने प्रॉफिट किया। इससे आपको पता है क्या हुआ? इससे मेरा काम बहुत अच्छा। I never deceived any of the person, not in the business, but in the life. That made me very powerful inside. Very powerful. आप मुझसे कोई भी काम कराएंगे, मेरे को प्लानिंग अगर नहीं भी हुई है तो इंस्टेंट डिसीजन लेके मैं उस काम को करूँगी, बिकॉज आई हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस। I have an experience and I am a spiritual lady. I know if I give a call, so many hands are my hands. They will help me. They will help me. ये जो विश्वास है ना, ये जो विश्वास है, ये मुझे पावरफुल बनाता है। और मैंने वो बिजनेस किया है और वो बिजनेस को एक झटके में छोड़ दिया, बिकॉज मैंने कैलकुलेट किया कि आई एम 60 years, present I am 67, but when I left my business I was 60 years old and I had a talk with myself only कि कितने दिन बचे हैं, क्यों काम करना है, क्या जो मेरे पास है मैं उसका उपयोग कर पाऊंगी? आंसर था नहीं। तो एक झटके में, जैसे 48 में मैंने बिजनेस शुरू किया, अपने आप को डिस्कवर किया, वैसे ही 60 में मैंने बिजनेस छोड़ दिया, क्योंकि मेरा मोटो प्रॉफिट नहीं था। लेकिन मैं ये कहने नहीं चाहती कि आप सब भी ये करें रहे हैं, तो आपने मुझे इनवाइट किया है। आई एम नॉट योर ABC मेंबर। I will convey my message. I don't want you people follow me because I had other facilities. Understand? But आपको बिजनेस करना है, लेकिन बिजनेस की क्वालिटी पे ध्यान दीजिए। इससे क्या होगा, आप आज न सही कल बढ़िया प्रॉफिट बनाएंगे, आपके पास स्वाभिमान होगा, आपके पास में विश्वास होगा और आपके पास में एनर्जी होगी और आपके साथ लोग जुड़ जाएंगे। अगर आपने किसी एक को चीट किया तो यूं समझ लीजिए वो चीटिंग वहीं तक नहीं रुकेगी, वो बहुत दूर तक जाएगी। बरसों जाएगी। इसीलिए if you want to do business, honesty is the best policy. Good evening.
Very
good evening. Om Shanti and Namaste. With them, I thank everyone here and congratulate you to be the part of ABC. You know, this is the first starting journey of the life of success. So congratulations. I have come from Brahma Kumaris. I think you know Brahma Kumaris? Yes, very well known. So Brahma Kumaris are sharing about the life. So here we will not talk about the business, but we will talk about ourselves. I'll talk about my own self. As we are individuals sitting here, we are celebrating Women's Day. So once again, congratulations, Happy Women's Day to all the women sitting here and all the brothers sitting here, brothers and sisters. You know, we normally use these two identities. I'm a girl, I'm a boy. And it is taught to us from the kindergarten stage. You know, girls, you're a girl, you have to be quiet. You're a girl, you have to be caring. You're a girl, you don't speak. You're a boy, why are you going and picking up the water, bringing up the water? You don't do. You know, many of the traditions in Bharat, in our country, we learn. It is taught to us. Actually, what we are all called human beings. There are two things into it. Human and being. Human is humus, body. It is made of soil. Right? And the being is the light, the life. We all know the right word for being is Atma. Yes? Human plus being, Atma and body. And we all know the soul is immortal. We know this? Yes, we know. I believe you all know this. There's a basic understanding of our culture, what we are taught from the childhood. As we are taught like you're a girl, you're a boy, we are taught this also. Right? So, the soul is there in this body, and we also know the soul takes birth and rebirth.